Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Soji and you are welcome to Soji Forex. If this is your first time of coming across our video, I want you to know that we are doing a great job on this channel. What we do basically is that we try a strategy on the financial market. We see how the strategy works, we backtest them, and then we come in on our channel to share the strategy with you via a video so you can take advantage of what we are doing, use it reasonably after backtesting it so that you can be profitable in trading the financial market. So basically in our previous video we talked about how we can manage our risk. We talked about risk management. I said one of the greatest rules in trading is never for you to place a trade without a stop loss. Why? Because your stop loss is the security to your capital. And once you are out of fund, you are out of trade. So for you to remain consistent in your trading is for you to protect and preserve your capital. So today we want to look at our strategy in particular, because in the previous video I stated that there is no way you can take 10 trades and make a loss consecutively. What I'm trying to say in essence is that if you follow what we are sharing on this channel and you are able to fund your account with $100, it's impossible for you to blow the account. And that is why I want to share with you the strategy, how to go about it. Because if you fund your account with $100 and you are risking $10 per trade, you realize that you need to lose 10 times to blow the account. And if you fund the account and you are risking $5 per trade, it simply means you need a 20 lost for you to be able to blow the account. And that is not possible. Alright, so let's backtest our strategy, our moving average and Bollinger band strategy. So want to backtest it, want to go through our strategy, our setup. We'll see how it works. So if we do for a buy and crash, for a buy of crash, the opposite is for the sell, and vice versa for the boom. So this is crash 500 on our chart here. So let's look at our setup. That is the setup of our indicators. So looking at my chart, we have on the main chart, we have our Bollinger band. And the setting of our Bollinger band is period 130. Deviation is 2.0, shift is 0, is applied to close. The style is 2 pixel, color green. You can choose any color of your size, of your choice. The level is 0. Then the second one is moving average. Work period 10, shift is 0, method is exponential, applied to close. The style is 2 pixel and it is color red. So if you have not done your setup, you need to follow this procedure. Click on it and then you do your setup, or you take a screenshot of it. Moving on number 2 is period 12, shift is 0. Our method is simple. you apply it to a close. Alright, then you click on done. Then we have our indicator window 1, which is our MACD. MACD simply means moving average convergence divergence. So the parameter fast EMA is 12, slow EMA is 26, MACD SMA is 9, you apply to close. Then the main signal 2 pixel, signal 2 pixel, you can choose any color of your choice. Then after that we have moving average 7, the shift is period 7, shift is 0, method is exponential, you apply to first indicator data. Then you choose any pixel of your choice. Then the last but not the least is our relative strength index. Period is 14. Apply to close. The style is 1 pixel. Then you have to make the color to be your background color. Your background color should be your color because we don't want the indicator line to display. Then you have your levels. Okay, we have level 10, level 50, and level 90 respectively. So I've done all this. It means you are ready for our strategy. So want to look for, want to buy. Let's go back. We are trying to back test and we want to buy crash 500. All right, want to buy crash 500. Okay, let's begin from here. Now we said our first instruction is that we want to see the market in the buying of crash. We want to see that there is a massive drop, just as you are seeing, is crashing up to our lower Bollinger band. I want to see the price pierces the lower Bollinger band, which of course it does, and after piercing through, we want to see the price begin to buy up, and of course you can see it buying this way. And this buying, we want to see price closes above our moving average, the 10 and the 12 respectively. You can see that here. And condition number 2 is that we want to see that price is coming from, we want to see that our MACD histogram is touching level 10, and you can see it is touching level 10 here. I want to see the cross of the EMA 7 and the MACD signal line. You can see how they cross each other upward. Let there be a curve upward and see it happening. Here we have a double confirmation for this trade. You can see there is a divergence. We have made a video of what divergence is already before. This is a divergence. It is when the price is making a lower low, this is a low, this is lower low, and the indicator window is doing the opposite of it. It means there's an imminent reversal, possible reversal. And we can see it. So immediately our price closes above this level, above the moving average, we make our entry, we buy here. So let's see it. We buy here. This first line is our entry. And then our stop loss is below the previous low. As you can see, this is our stop loss. This is our entry. Okay, let me change the color now. So the blue line now is going to be our entry. Yeah, this is our entry. This is our stop loss. So this red line is our stop loss. This blue line is our entry. And then the gray line here is our take profit. Okay, this is our first entry after our condition was met and it hit our TP. Alright, this is our stop loss. Alright, this is our entry. This is our TP. And it plays out safely. Good. So let's look for, that is 1. We have shared the video of how to take advantage of the middle Bollinger Band. You can go to it, you can see it playing out with almost the same thing. This is how it works. Okay. This strategy is simple and straightforward. We have done one. We want to see how impossible with this strategy we cannot blow our account, and that is exactly what we are trying to backtest. Now price has been buying, it returns back to the middle Bollinger Band, it pierces through it. Okay, and when you look at our indicator window, you see price return to our level of 10. The MACD histogram is to our level of 10, and then it crosses each other. The histogram was beginning to form above the line, above the cross of the moving average and the MACD signal line, and then you allow price to close above the moving average, which is here, and after that you make your entry, which is at this blue line, your stop loss at this red line, and then your take profit at this green line. It plays out. That is number 2 entry, and it plays out very well. Now let's take this to be our number 3 entry. You can go to our previous video to understand what we are talking about. Price returns, pierces our lower Bollinger Band, our middle Bollinger Band, please, and then price move and closes above the middle Bollinger. At the same time, it closes above our moving averages, and then we look at our indicator window. Here's our indicator window. MACD histogram at the level of 10. Then our moving average and signal line crosses each other, curved upward. And as that happens, price closes above this moving average. We'll put our stop loss here, our entry at the close of the candle, our TP here. This is our third entry, and it is profitable. You can see this is our stop loss, right? This is our entry, right? This is our TP. Third entry, profitable. We are still back testing. So let's move forward. I believe we have back test this. If we haven't, let's look for other ones. This is another one, right? Our TP, our entry with blue line. Then we're going to have the red line. It's our stop loss. Okay, so this strategy, this is entry number 4. Stop loss, our entry, our TP. And then look at our condition again. We're patient enough, price will turn back to our middle Bollinger band, which is here, pierces through it, price will turn back and closes above the middle Bollinger band here, and at the same time price closes above the middle Bollinger band and above our moving averages, and it is coming from the overbought region of 10, and there is a curve, and then we have our entry with this blue line. This is our, sorry, I don't intend this video to be long, but we need to back test this thing. This is our entry. No. This is our stop loss, our entry, our take profit. This is number 4 trade, and it went well. Okay, it went perfectly well. If you do the same thing, you probably would have lost one here. Remember, this thing doesn't work all the time. This is our stop loss. Okay, this is our entry here. Here should have been our take profit. I say this is it. Stop loss, entry, our TP will be somewhere here, but unfortunately, yeah, we lost this one. We lost this. Okay, now but we have another entry that actually play out, which means we took 4, we won 3, we lose 1. But look at something here, our stop loss, okay, our entry, our TP. Now what happens here is that if you go to our previous video of divergence, there is a divergence that occurred here. This is a divergence, and because of this divergence we make our entry. This is a divergence. So having spotted the divergence, we wait for price to close above the band, Okay, price closes above the middle band. The candle closes here. So we make our entry here, our stop loss here, and you can see our TP. So we have taken 5, and out of the 5 we took, stop loss, entry, take profit. So we have taken 5 trades, and out of the 5 we were profitable in 4, and we lost only 1, and that is a very good one. Okay, this is number 6. Number 6. This is the 6th one we're about to take now. We have taken 5. We lost 1. And we won 5. Sorry, we have taken 5. We win 4. We lose 1. So we are good to go. So this thing works. So now let's go back to our analysis. What is the condition for taking our trade? We want to see price piercing our lower Bollinger Band. You see now, price return all the way, pierces the band here, as you can see. And I will look at our indicator window and what is happening on our indicator window. This is what our indicator window is doing. Here we are having a divergence. You can see that. This is a divergence. Market is doing lower low, while indicator is doing a high. So having that confirmation, we allow price to close above. Price closes above our moving average, and it's coming from where it pierces our lower band. Having established that, we make our entries here, our stop loss here, look at our take profit. So out of 6, we won 5, and we lost only 1. This is our stop loss, this is our entry, this is our take profit. So this strategy is very, very simple. Here we observe that price returned back to our middle Bollinger Band, and it pierces through it. Remember, it doesn't work all the time. This is the 7th one we are looking at. And we want to see the outcome of it. Powerful strategy. Doing well. All you need to do is be patient for your setup. Understand how it works, and you take advantage of it. So we are back testing. Price return back to our level, pierces the lower Bollinger Band. We want to see price return and closes above the middle band. Here it returns, it closes above the middle band. We look at our indicator window, price comes to 10 and it's returning MACD, and it has curved upward. Price closes above our moving average. We make our entry here at this blue line, stop loss at this red line. This is our TP. Out of 7 and 3, stop loss, entry, take profit. So out of 7 entries, one went in our favor while the other one was against us. Now let's look at number 8. So the 7 we got 6, we lose 1. This is number 8. Powerful strategy. This is crash. So all we do in this video is we backtest the strategy on crash. So in the subsequent video, we'll be backtesting the strategy on boom. I know you are getting value from these videos. Please do not forget to like, subscribe to this channel, share this video with your loved one. You can see our first condition, want to see price come back to our Bollinger Band, see price at the lower Bollinger Band here. They want to look at our indicator window 1, and then we see that the MACD histogram is piercing the level of 10, as you can see. Then we want to see a cross between the MACD signal line and the moving average, and that happens here, and the curve upward histogram begins to form above it. I want to see our price returning back as well, and let the price closes above the moving average. Remember, the close of price when price return from the middle Bollinger Band is different from when it is coming from the lower band. So we'll see price closes here, price closes here, above it. We make our entry, our stop loss at the previous low, our take profit here, and the rest is history. Stop loss, entry, take profit. So we have looked at 8 trade and 7 went in our favor. Only 1 of the trade we lost. So this strategy is simple. The strategy is straightforward. You can see this. This is another one. Okay. This is price piercing. Price pierces our lower Bollinger Band. Price at our indicator window histogram line coming to the level of 10, a curve, and it's going upward. And our price closes at this level above our moving average. So we have our entry, stop loss at the previous low, and our take profit. And you see that everything placed out safely. See our stop loss, our entry, our TP. Guys, this strategy works. We have taken 9 trades. Out of the 9 we took, it will interest you to know that 8 went in our favor. Here is another one. This strategy is powerful. So we are back testing our strategy today. So that is what we are doing. We are back testing our strategy on crash. I've not skipped a setup. This is to prove to you how it works. I've not skipped a single setup. It is only when we are skipping a setup that you will say, okay, perhaps this strategy is not working. We are only trying to look for only the ones that work. No, but we are not doing that. We are following everyone we see, both the ones that give us a win. So this is the 10th one. Okay, price pierces the lower Bollinger Band to the downside, and our indicator window as well is at the histogram falls to 10, and then want to see price of the main chart return and closes above our moving averages, which is this blue horizontal line. That is where the price closes here, and a curve has happened on our indicator window. Then we make our entry here, our stop loss here at our low, and our TP here, right? And then you see it play out. So this is the 10th example. And everything play out well. Stop loss, entry, take profit. So this example we have taken, we have successfully looked at 10 entry based on our analysis in backtesting our strategy, and out of the 10 trade we took, we were able to have 9 hitting our take profit and 1 hitting our stop loss. And what does that prove to you? That the strategy works. It's a good one. No strategy is 100% correct, but once your win is more than your loss, it means you have the good strategy you can leverage and take advantage of. And this is exactly what I've done for a crash. In the subsequent video, I'll be doing it for a boom. And I know this have solved almost 60% of your challenge. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. Good, here is a live trade example of what we are talking about. Here is going to be our stop loss. Here is going to be our stop loss. Oh my. You're going to have a stop loss. Okay. And that green. So here is going to be our entry. Okay. So we are going to have a take profit around here. That's great. Our condition was met, and so we are making an entry. How was the condition met? Price pierces the lower Bollinger Band to the downside, which is what we are seeing. Price pierces it to the downside here. Our MACD histogram comes to the level of 10. We are having a cross here. Okay, everything is going up, and then here is going to be our TP, our stop loss. So once you put your stop loss and your TP, you allow the market to do its own thing. This is our entry, and then this is our TP. So this is how this strategy works. Do not forget to like, to share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. See you in the subsequent video. We shall be back testing the boom with our strategy.